We are smart, we are creative, and we are Today we look at lighting. When people hear smartphone content creation, what comes to your mind is just the phone. But I tell you, there's a lot. There's the lights, there's the look and feel, there's the set. Are we doing outdoor or indoor? What's the theme? There's a whole lot that makes up a good image, and that's what we're talking about. We have this, we have this, we have this, and they are coming from these bulbs. So those are the things you look out for. So you can put the last pin. Yeah, this. It's going to cut down the harshness.
My name is Damlola Saula. One thing I learned was the essence of lighting when you're shooting with your smartphone, because it goes beyond just shooting with your smartphone.
For your ring lighting, something like this, a translucent material.
My name is Promise Ego. It's a brilliant initiative. I've learned so much during the course of the training. Without an avenue like this, I wouldn't have had the opportunity of meeting other creators.
This initiative have actually helped me personally to know much about my phone and how I can use my smartphone to take pictures, because I love to take pictures actually.
I'm glad they saw the essence of this workshop, and I'm proud to be a smart creator. And I must say thank you to MADhouse for giving us this beautiful space. We love it. Okay, everything chilling. And I also want to say thank you to OMD Clothing. You know, this is good.
Hi, my name is Olatomiwa and I'm a smart creator.
I'm a smart creator.
I'm a smart creator. Peace out.
Smart creator.